Cars continue to evolve, and car manufacturing continues to evolve alongside them. Our products are used by more than just automakers. They also support manufacturing for other industries, including agriculture and construction. The automotive industry is undergoing a once-in-a-lifetime change, fueled by the drive for carbon neutrality, growth of electric vehicles, and advancement of automotive technology.
We're using an industrial robot to bin pick and sort two geometrically identical bolts that are mixed into these two bins. This has a real wow moment because there's a slight difference in the thread pitch of the two bolts. The ApparaView Vision software can tell them apart even when they're mixed in these two bins. Despite these small differences in the parts, the bottom line is that we can hit 2,000 picks per hour at this level of efficiency. The vision cycle is regularly hitting 0.3 seconds, consisting of object identification, path planning in and out of the move, and object orientation for the bolt being placed on the tray. The total robot cycle time is 1.8 seconds, so this robot is able to operate very fast with high accuracy. This demo is also notable for the scalability of the vision system. 2 camera sets cover the bins and the placement location. Usually this would mean using 2 expensive camera sets, but the same vision system runs the robot over multiple areas using off-the-shelf 2D cameras. Your vision system cost to pick parts out of multiple bins is much lower than comparable 3D camera systems. So what can you use this for? Obviously, sorting or bin picking mixed items at high speed. The other major application is kitting for production lines. You could kit out parts carts being sent to the manufacturing line with the assurance that the correct parts are making it onto the cart.
To reliably join modern automotive-grade materials, you need a perfect joint. You need self-pierce riveting from Atlas Copco. You need to know that your rivets are correctly inserted. Since head height flashness only tells a part of the story, our system does error-proofing using force feedback combined with head height. This catches the errors before they leave your plant. It all starts with your design and your choice of materials. We engineer the solution to realize your vision. Our solution is validated through simulations and stress tests before being installed in your assembly line. Our rivets are built with great attention to detail. In 2018, we will manufacture 4.8 billion rivets. And Ford recently awarded us with their prestigious Q1 award for maintaining 0 parts per million defects. Our system is based on a fixed energy concept, ensuring full repeatability. By monitoring various parameters, the system knows exactly what happens during the riveting process, and also what to expect in force feedback. If head height or any other predefined parameter is out of the tolerance range, the system signals "not OK." Our equipment is built to the highest of standards, using high-quality materials in robust and reliable systems. They are durable, and most importantly, they can perform repeatedly. This is why we dare to promise you a solid solution. And this is how you will always have a perfect joint.
automobile production lines contain a diverse array of conveyor systems. Conveyors are at the heart of the production process, and the reliability of Daifuku systems underpins car manufacturing. The scope of our automation systems now encompasses nearly all areas of the automobile production line. We operate production facilities in multiple countries, allowing us to better respond to our global customer base. Our extensive line of products and optimal solutions satisfy the diverse needs of each of our customers. Sophisticated and diverse manufacturing requirements.